So, good morning, everyone. Today's topic is the numbering system in algorithm part. I saw that most of the students are not programmatically strong. Why? They are not starting from the fundamental areas. In my YouTube channel, I just give you some ideas how to learn algorithms. That is the basic ideas you can collect. Language is not a matter. As a Java trainer and as Java Technocrat is famous for Java, so I'm using a language called as Java, but you can use the same logic in case of C, C++, Python. You can use some other language also. But as a trainer, I want to train you in the programming parts. So subscribe my channel and be strong in the programming part. You are the future developer. Now, as a trainer, as my 25 years experience, I just try to solve your problem in the programming areas. I want to educate my learner, or I want to educate the future developer.